this video we will be reviewing this 4K camera. I got this one for about $40 off from Temu.com. I'm gonna show you the web page right now. Boom. And here we are on the web page. As you can see, this is a picture of the camera. It's called CU 4K Ultra HD. This is a knockoff of a DJI pocket camera, and you can see the price is around $40. These are some of the pictures. See more 4K stabilized camera. And let's go down. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, now we are back. Let's unbox this and let's see what comes inside of this box and how good the video quality is for this camera. Okay. Okay. So the camera is in this. I'm gonna put this on the side right now. It comes with this strap. Comes with a nice case. This case is very nice and soft. I like this one. And it comes with this mount. I'm just gonna open this and see what this is about. Okay, this is pretty strong. This is so you can attach the camera here and mount it to a bicycle or something. Is a handle so the camera doesn't fall off the hand. This is the extra microphone that came with the camera. And then here are some additional screws. So these screws probably going here to stabilize the camera. So I'm just gonna put all of these things on the side and let's open the camera up and let's see what is that about. So the camera is in this. This is what the camera looks like. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on. I just turned it on. Oh, it sounds really it sounds like a real China product. Like that tone was from a very low quality speaker. Okay, and now you can see the camera is working. It is showing what the camera, it has like a nice 1-inch screen right there, and it is showing what the camera is looking at. So this camera, you can turn it all the way around like this, and it does not go up and down. It does not go up and down. It can rotate to 70 degrees, 180 degrees, whatever, like this. Okay. I can see the camera quality right here. I think the lens is blurry right now. Let me clean this up real quick. Okay, I can see. I don't know if you guys can see the screen. You can see what the camera is looking at. Let me just turn it to my direction. Alright, you guys can see a small face of mine. The screen is not really good quality. Okay, let me take this off. As you can see, there is a 1-inch screen. You can see the battery indicator, and you'll have a better idea of the screen quality and the camera quality that you can see. I will record a small sample clip of this and play it for you guys. And it comes with these 3 buttons and okay, a lot of these options over here, and you use these buttons on the side to pick what you want. Okay, let's go back, and we have video options, settings. Let's see what we have in the settings. White balance, exposure, sharpness, video quality. Let's go under video quality. It has high, medium, and low. Just these ones. I'm gonna set it to high. And then it has ISO, all of these different ones. Okay, I don't want to mess with those. So let's keep it at auto. I want to go back. Let's go back. Oh, okay. And I'm going to record a sample clip, and here's a memory card, by the way. Memory card goes right there. I will record a sample clip at 180 60 fps, so you guys will be able to look at it and judge for yourself. Alright guys, here is an example of a video recording from the camera. Right now I'm using the built-in microphone of the camera just so you can see how well it focuses. Here is a teddy bear so you can see, and I'm gonna rotate it to the front camera, and you can see me over here. Okay, this was a small sample recording, and now I will view this on the computer, analyze it, and then present it for you guys, and you guys can decide how well you like the video. Alright guys, we are back. By now you probably saw the sample video from this camera, and I'm going to be honest, it was worse than I expected. I recorded a couple samples. I did make sure the camera lens was clean. It was totally clean. I tried wiping it with all of different cloths that I had, and the camera quality did not improve. I did notice it had trouble focusing. The video recording sample that I presented was 180p 60 fps. I did not bother recording for 4K because the frame rate was going to be lower and the quality was not going to get better, because it seems like the lens is just not there, not up on the par. So that is it. If you guys are interested in getting this, make sure you guys comment. I will be giving this away. In my opinion, it can be used for vlogging purposes, where you can record from the front camera and view yourself in this screen as you guys are recording. Yeah, in my opinion, the best use scenario for this camera is vlogging. If you're outside in better lighting conditions, the video quality is probably going to be better, and you will be able to see yourself in this tiny screen as you're recording from this camera. Let's pause over here for a second. If you guys are interested in watching the sample of this outside, make sure you guys click on this video right here. I will record a sample of this outside and post a sample of it right there. Make sure you guys click on this if you guys are interested in seeing an outside sample. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up my review right there. As we know, this is a knockoff of a DJI Osmo pocket camera. That one is around $600-700, but this one you can get for $40, $50, around that range from Temu. As we know, the price is so much cheaper for this one than the DJI camera. It's up to you guys whether you guys want to go with this cheaper option or get the real one. It is totally up to you. I will be giving this one away to one of you guys, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I will be picking a random comment and giving this out to you guys. So this is it for the review. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next review.